Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And this is a weekly look at what's happening with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And I'm doing this every week with the technical analyst for, Max from VFi. And we're going to be finding out what lies ahead.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Apollo had produced the ultimate hardware wallet for your cryptocurrency assets, probably the most secure hardware wallet going. Use my affiliate link and the code for a discount. Please follow me on Twitter and join my official Telegram announcements channel. Also, please follow me on bittube.video. You can also follow me on Odyssey. These are both censorship-resistant platforms, and every now and then I am going to post a video which isn't going to be on YouTube.
Hi guys, hope you had a nice week.
We did. We did. Last week you said it was going to go down, likely to go down, and it did go down last week. And I just want to say that you are the technical analysis for VFi.io, and they are a DeFi project that's just launched on the Cardano blockchain.
Yes, that's totally true. I'm working on the Discord channel we have and doing a technical analysis there as well. I'm answering questions and helping the people there. And yeah, we have a lot of guys working hard on VFi and getting it running. We hired a lot of new people as well. So yeah, lots of stuff is going on right now.
Great. And just to say that you are a professional trader. So this is how you make your living. So obviously you must be doing it well enough to make a living from it. How long have you been working as a professional trader, Max?
Yeah, I've been doing this for over a year right now, pretty much.
Wow. Okay. All right. Come on then, Max. Show us. We're looking at Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum today. So take it away.
Yes. So last week, as you mentioned, I said that in the very short term on Sunday, we could see a move to the upside, a small move to the upside. If you watched the video, you remembered that I pointed out the CME price again at around $43,000. This is the red line here. Mm-hmm. And we also saw that move to the upside. Went a little bit higher here to around 44K, and then we went down during the first 3 days of the week, pretty much. As you also mentioned, then we had more downside for the next days. But what's the crucial point here? We made new higher lows. So as I mentioned this low in the last video, the China ban where we dumped on the Friday, and I said that I don't want to see us break down lower than that. And if we don't break lower than that, we are good for a good next quarter. And the next quarter just started, and as you can see, we had a mad pump to the upside, which is a very nice thing to see, obviously.
Yes.
And we came down to these lows 4 times, which it was a little bit exhausting for traders, to be honest, because like I'm a trader. I don't like to trade at the same level multiple times, just in terms of risk, because coming there once again and again, the risk for me was a little bit too high that we break down, and also it was at a bad time of the day for me. Because it was when I went to sleep, so I couldn't watch the charts anymore. So I missed out on the exact low. But then when I saw that we got the move to the upside that I was waiting for, I went in and opened new long positions there. So that's what I did personally during this week. So yeah, that's pretty much all for the recap. And this is also the thing that I mentioned. I think this week, and we are now at the last day of the week, and you see we are at 48K pretty much. I want to see a strong move to the upside at the end of the week, and I want to see that we close it bullishly. Because if we went lower, we could have seen a bad winter for crypto, to be honest.
Right.
So that was really crucial.
Okay, a couple of things. At what point did you go long? Just recently?
Yeah, the turning point was the level at 44 to 45K. Right. Pretty much this zone here. was my first point of like where I saw this breakout as confirmed. I mean, it was a very quick move, so it was hard to get in fast enough there.
Yeah.
And then another point that I mentioned, I think this zone, I had it even 2 weeks ago already on a chart, is this red box that I now will put in green, because we went through this resistance zone. As you can see, this box is 2 weeks ago in the video I mentioned this level, that if we break below, we're gonna see a strong move to the downside, and this is what exactly what happened. And now we broke through the level to the upside, and we are staying above it, which is the crucial point here. You can see we just had a candle wick down into the box, but we're still above it. And now this is a new support zone that I'm watching. So I also yesterday, when we wicked down at low 47s, I made a long position again. So this is a good spot right now. We want to see this hold, and then we are in for more upside. That's what I can say already.
Okay. Well, if I can add what I can see, and remember, if you're watching this, I don't trade, right? But I know you said you're not a pattern trader. You use resistance
Yes.
and support lines, right? So I can see a W pattern, which is bullish.
Yeah, I expected that you would say that. Yeah, sure.
That's right. It's pretty clear, right? But also inside the W, I can see a head and shoulders, which is bearish, but it never got confirmation, and that's towards the right of the W. And what I can see in the 4-hourly recently could be forming, I'd need to zoom in, is an ascended triangle, because you got higher lows, higher lows, higher lows.
Yeah, like an
That's
ascending or
bullish.
maybe symmetrical. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, symmetrical.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can.
But anyway, that's a symmetrical can go either way, but it follows the prevailing trend, but an ascending triangle tends to be bullish.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this would fit what I was talking about. Yeah, if you can see that, if you look at it as a triangle, I think that's totally fine here. The zone, the levels that I am having here, as I just said, this green box, I don't want to see us go below the box.
Yeah.
I want to see us hold this level, and as every week, CME close price is slightly above us right now. So that's one level that's above us, and which, as I always say, prices will often trail towards the CME price. This is just the general dynamic of the market, and also the Fibonacci levels that I have here. We are currently exactly inside them.
Mm-hmm.
This is the current resistance. So for me, for this week, what I can tell you, if we can go above this level here, which I would expect us to do honestly in the next 24 hours, and if we hold this level and not just immediately go back down from here, then I think we will gonna challenge the high, the 52 to 53k very shortly. So I'm definitely, I would say, I'm definitely not looking for any short positions in this market. Just looking for buying opportunities, and if we show some good signs here, I think it's another opportunity of buying the move to 50k, 50 to 52.
Great. Okay. Thank you. So that's Bitcoin. Let us know about. Let's have a look at the next one.
Yes, let's go to Ethereum right there. So for Ethereum, it's also pretty
very similar.
It's also pretty straightforward. Yes, Ethereum is a little bit behind, let's say. This is the zone where Bitcoin is at, if you would say relative to Ethereum, and we're still a little bit below that right now. Yesterday, Ethereum had generally altcoins had a strong day yesterday. They kind of caught up with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin moved stronger than them on Friday. So this is something to notice. Usually when you see such a breakout, Bitcoin will move first, and maybe one or two other projects. I think we saw Solana and Axis. They had also a very strong pump. But coins like ADA and Ethereum, they come like one day behind Bitcoin with their major moves sometimes. And then this is what we saw yesterday. And yeah, it's the same story here. We have this Fibonacci level, 3,500 to 3,600 is the zone, and if we go above it, I'm looking for 4K plus on Ethereum. So same story, definitely expecting upside only.
Okay. So if I were to
Yes.
place a long, which I'm not going to, because I
Yeah.
don't trade, I think I would look at 3,600 maybe, or 3,000. They're about 3,060. I want confirmation that it's going to close above 3,558.
Yes. Yeah. Like if you, this is something I also have on my mind. To be honest, if we can go above there, come back but not fall below again, and also I'm also watching multiple coins at the same time always. So if I see the same story on Bitcoin, if I see Bitcoin finding the support as well and going higher, then I'm going to buy on Ethereum for the move to the upside as well. So
Right. Okay. Very good. Very good.
that's
Okay. Hey, Cardano.
yeah, let's go to Cardano. So Cardano is had a little bit of a different week to the other coins. Last video I mentioned the 2.46 as the current resistance, and we had a strong move here already when the other coins were still kind of at the floor and not moving a lot. So we had some hopes to say we're a little bit hopeful for ADA maybe to lead the move to the upside, but sadly on I think a few hours later it just went back to even nearly $2. So the whole move was like a little bit a tough move if you were overly bullish at the top here. So I guess a lot of traders got stopped out there on their long positions. But same story here in terms of we made a higher low as well. So even though it was a move to the upside that got completely sold off, which is something that's not the best sign, we turned again, made the low here, held pretty much this this low level here at 1.9, and now we're still below that. So we're really, ADA is lagging behind Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Like that's something you can easily tell, which has the opportunity. If you see ADA lag behind for a few more days, and the other coins are moving strong, you know that ADA's time will come again. Because when we had the lows in July, it was the same story. I also had bigger long positions on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and ADA just had like a little bit of a boring phase, and then suddenly one day ADA jumped like double-digit percent, and so sometimes it's a good opportunity if you see that the market is really bullish on the majority of the coins. If you find a coin that's not yet broken out, and this level for ADA is 2.46, and then the 2.8s that I also mentioned since 2 or 3 weeks, it's a good, it still has a good opportunity if you buy in here, because the moves didn't start yet for Cardano. So it's a huge opportunity in my opinion.
Great, great. Okay, and then if you zoom in on the 4-hourly chart for ADA, what I can see is we've got looks like a double bottom forming a W.
Yes.
We've got lower highs, higher lows. That's it, higher lows, and it's an upward trading range. And then the recent, it's also the lows here for the first lot is now the resistance or support for the second lot of, or the later range, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, you mean let's maybe put in like this zone here, right?
Yeah, but also I'm thinking about the lines going upwards on the 4-hourly candles, the more recent ones. If you connect the bottom lows from that green arrow that you've drawn, the green arrow that you've drawn, Max.
Yeah.
If you move over to the right, that's it. And can you see the candles there? The white candle. If you draw a line from the bottom of that candle, an ascending line, it's going to be a trend line. That's
like this one.
That's it.
You mean as ascending? I see.
Yeah. So so I can see a range developing there as well.
Yes, I mean for ADA we can also take a look here. If we make like a trend line like this, I mean
No.
Yeah, we are kind of at a crucial spot. Like those trend lines are a little bit like subjective, I would say, because there are multiple ways you can connect the candles on different time frames. So I'm not like looking at the exact breakout spots, but it's a general it's generally a good thing to see the overall structure. And in my opinion, with ADA, no matter how you connect those lines, you will see that just relative to other coins, it's still at this early stage. Like it's still fighting resistance right now. We saw those big moves on Bitcoin, Ethereum, as I said, but ADA still hasn't made that. So I think if that's just of course we can't say okay, just buy it and it's gonna be fine. You know, that's not how you trade, because you have to keep in mind that anything can happen in the market and you don't want to just gamble with your money.
Sure.
But it's just, as I said, we had everything we wanted to see this week. It looked bad at the start, but often a good support zone has to look really bad, because in theory, you don't want a lot of people, like you don't want the general public to all say, "Oh, this is the low. We're gonna buy here," because that's not how the market works. If everyone knows that this is the best price to buy, then why would you see a higher price later on? Because then people won't buy at higher prices. So you have to get people to be so scared to not buy that they come in and buy later, like when the prices went up 50%. You need someone to buy and to push it higher. So yeah, we saw the strong upside move on all coins pretty much, and so I'm really confident it's also gonna come on ADA, and this will be a good opportunity because you have more potential there.
Fabulous, fabulous. Max, thank you so much. Anything else you want to say?
No, that's honestly that's all it for now. As I think I said it last week, I hope we're gonna have a great fourth quarter of the year, and I think this week has already showed us what it could be like. So yeah, let's enjoy this.
Great, great. Max, thank you so much. And if anybody who's watching, if you want to get trained by Max, or you want to check out Wi-Fi, I'll have all the links in the description below. Go join his Discord channel. And he and I are going to be doing this again on Sunday, looking ahead for that week. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Wi-Fi Max signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye. See ya.